We have a question here. This is asking for the number of seniors at Riverton High who have birthdays in January or April. And what we have to go on is a percentage table over here where we're given the percentage of the percentage of seniors in each month. And you might think, well, okay, all I have to do is add up those percentages for January and April and we're good, right? Well, it's not quite that simple. So here's January, right? And here's April. And what you have to do is approach this a little separately. You have to keep the boys and girls separated while you're calculating what these percentages mean. So if I think January and April, what's that put together? Well, that's 7.7% plus 6.5%. So that's a total of 14.2%. And if we look at the girls, it's 7.6% plus 9.2%. So that's 16.8%. So a few more girl birthdays in these months than boy birthdays. And the reason why we have to treat this separately, we can't like take the average, for example. We can't just average 14 and 16 together, is because there's more girls than boys total, right? Lots more girls in the senior class than boys for whatever reason. So what that means is we have to turn the percentage first into a number for the boys, then into a number for the girls, and only at the end add up those numbers. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to say 395 times 0.142. Okay, that's how to figure out how many boys we're talking about here. So that's going to be 56.1 boys. All right, well, these are approximate numbers, so we don't really have to get too bothered by the decimals. But if I do the same thing for the girls, I get 74.3 girls. Okay, so now you can add those together, and we get 120, nope, about 130 total students. Okay, there's our answer. The important part of this problem is keep those percentages separate because the total numbers that you're dealing with, these numbers up here, are different. So you can't just add the percentages all together and multiply it by the total number of students, right? It's different percentages of boys and girls.